Are you gearing up to take the PSPO exam? Do you have trouble wrapping your head around all the different terms and elements? Don't worry, you come to the right place. In this series, we'll cover all the steps to learn about Scrum and build our very first product. By the end of this video series, you will have mastered the steps to build a digital product, and you will be ready to ace that exam. To start things simple, say hello to Mats. Mats just joined a medical company called Medicus AI as a new product owner. But in truth, he's feeling a bit lost. On his very first day of work, he's given an important assignment by the product director. Build a solution for doctors to better understand their patients' test results, medical history, and personal data. A digital twin. Mats has had experience working with doctors and patients before, but working with a team to build a product is uncharted territory. Mats wonders, so how can Scrum help me? And what is Scrum? Let's begin with the basics. Scrum is a framework that aids in developing complex products. And with good reason, it's become one of the most popular methods for this. In Scrum, there are three main roles: the Scrum Master, the Product Owner, and the development team. As a Product Owner, Mats is responsible for defining what needs to be built and why. He is the voice of the customer. Then there's a Scrum Master, the person who ensures a team sticks to Scrum's best practices. Finally, there's a development team who does the actual building. Essentially, the product owner focuses on the why, while the developers focus on the how. But when all is said and done, how does one even begin? How can Mats achieve that hypothetical product that seems so close yet so far? With a product backlog. A what? A product backlog. A prioritized list of everything that needs to be done to create the product. The product backlog isn't just a wish list. It's a key responsibility of the product owner. And it's organized and prioritized based on what provides the most value to the customer. More importantly, Scrum is iterative, meaning the team works in short cycles called sprints. Sprints typically last 2 weeks, but some teams work in 1, 3, or even 4-week sprints. At the end of each sprint, the team delivers a product increment, something usable, something shippable. It may not be the final product, but it's valuable nonetheless. The framework emphasizes short bursts of focused work, with something tangible delivered at the end of each sprint. By prioritizing the elements in the backlog, know what to work on. This helps a team focus on what matters and enables a company to build what customers actually need and want to use. Quick quiz. Let's help Mats out by testing what we've learned so far. What is the main responsibility of the product owner? A. Lead the development team. B. Manage stakeholders and define product needs. Or C. Ensure Scrum best practices are followed. The answer is in the description. Question 2. Which artifact does a product owner manage? A. Sprint backlog. B. Product backlog. Or C. Daily Scrum notes. Mats' journey is only beginning. So far, he's learned that as a product owner, his job is to manage the product backlog. and work closely with the Scrum team to deliver valuable product increments. Thanks for watching, and keep a lookout for Matt's next adventure, where we'll dive into user stories and how to best prioritize the backlog.